Welcome back. Well, mild out there today, got up to near 70 degrees this afternoon. Hopefully you had the chance to soak it in because that Arctic air is lurking not too far away. They've been planted in the 20s for the better part of this afternoon across the northern part of the state, and then obviously even colder as you get further to the north. That air mass is going to be dropping southward. It's going to get to Acadiana tomorrow. More noticeable though as we head into tomorrow night. Now, all of the area is now under a winter weather advisory. That's going to be for the possibility, maybe for some light freezing rain tomorrow into tomorrow night. We also have hard freeze warnings and wind chill advisories that are going to be in effect for Monday night and Tuesday night. So let's play it out with the high resolution rapid refresh model. Cold tonight, temperatures, most of us will be dropping into the 30s. Some moisture, we're going to see a couple rounds of moisture really throughout the day tomorrow. First one will get here tomorrow morning. So a few light showers out there for tomorrow morning, mostly just going to be falling as rain. Again, for most of Acadiana, as temperatures are still going to be above freezing, but where it's going to be a little bit colder across the northern parishes and then into the northern part of the state, there certainly could be some pockets of light freezing rain. Now, high temperatures tomorrow may briefly get into the lower and mid 40s around lunchtime, but actually temperatures are going to be dropping pretty quickly by late in the afternoon and into the evening hours as some of that Arctic air starts to rush in. At the same time, we'll be watching kind of this thin band of some light precipitation moving on through tomorrow evening. And keep in mind, that'll be the time frame where most of us will be seeing those temperatures approaching freezing, if not a couple of degrees below freezing. So even some light freezing rain will be possible for areas as far south as the I-10 corridor, but still shouldn't be anything too terribly heavy or too terribly impactful. All of that clears out as we head into Tuesday. It's going to be a cold start first thing in the morning with temperatures in the 20s, wind chills in spots close to the single digits. And then I am cautiously optimistic that we should see temperatures briefly get above freezing there for Tuesday afternoon as skies will be turning mostly sunny. So here's what you can expect over the next few days. We will see some scattered light freezing rain out there tomorrow night. Not everyone is going to see it. However, still we're not expecting significant accumulations nor significant travel impacts. Now, could there be some slippery spots on some overpasses and bridges first thing Tuesday morning, especially for northern Acadiana and Sinla? Yes, but again, widespread issues not expected, but still we'll keep you updated with any travel advisories that may arise. By and large, the bigger concern is going to be the very cold air and hard freezes that are set to arrive Monday and Tuesday night. So let's talk those temperatures. Most of us heading for the mid-30s tonight through tomorrow morning, but a light freeze will be possible. We'll say Ville Platte on northward, and highs tomorrow, as mentioned, may briefly get into the lower and mid 40s by lunchtime, but then that Arctic air starts to rush in, so temperatures fall by late in the afternoon into tomorrow evening. And as I mentioned, any lingering moisture during this time period could fall in the form of light freezing rain. Thereafter, we dry out, temperatures drop quickly, again with most of us heading for the lower to middle 20s first thing Tuesday morning, and then a mostly sunny sky into our Tuesday afternoon. Again, remaining cautiously optimistic that we get at least a couple of hours of temperatures above freezing, so that if there are any isolated icy spots out there, they'll be able to melt. As far as the wind chills, again, quite cold as those northerly winds will be picking up first thing Tuesday morning. So most of us feeling either like the single digits or lower teens. And then despite mostly sunny skies Tuesday afternoon, still going to be feeling like the 20s out there. And then all of us feeling like the teens or so first thing on Wednesday morning. So bottom line, dress in layers if you're going to be heading out over the next few days and have those heavy jackets and coats ready to go. 36 your projected low tonight. It's going to be a cold night ahead. Light freeze possible for extreme northern Acadiana. Overcast skies for tomorrow. Light showers for the morning hours, but again, some light freezing rain will be possible in spots, especially for the northern parishes, and then any lingering moisture tomorrow evening as temperatures drop to close to freezing. Could see some light freezing rain for areas as far south as the I-10 corridor, but still no significant impacts expected. Very cold temperatures Tuesday into Wednesday. Hard freezes Tuesday, Wednesday mornings, warming up for Thursday, and then potentially another shot of some Arctic air, or at least very cold air arriving as we head into next weekend. That's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more for you coming up after the break.